So hi students, welcome back to the part 9 of this chapter, that is continuation of exercise 1C. Okay, so in the last class I left at 4th main, right? So now I will be continuing from the 5th main question. So the 5th main question says simplify the following. So what we have to simplify? Okay, so let's see what we have to simplify. So we are going to simplify this expression 22 by 2 root 3 plus 1 plus 17 by 2 root 3 minus 1. So when I see this, the first thing people think is rationalize the denominator of this separately and this separately. So that may be working out, but the question is simplify, is there any other better method? So we have to add this and this, denominators are different. So we need to take LCM of this or product of this we need to have common, right? So that if we do itself, it is going to be multiplying, right? That is the reason we don't have to rationalize the denominator separately. So we are going to take that LCM method. So where we have 2 root 3 plus 1 and multiply with 2 root 3 minus 1. So this will be multiplied to 22, this will be multiplied to 17. So 22 into 2 root 3 minus 1 plus 17 into 2 root 3 plus 1. Okay, so we end up with 22 2s are 44 root 3 minus 22. This is 17 2s are 34 root 3 plus 17. So we end up with this 2 square is 4 into 3 minus 1. Okay, so we end up with 44 plus 34 is 78 root 3 minus 5 divided by 4 3s are 12 minus 1, 11. So that will be the simplified answer. Okay, 78 root 3 minus 5. So the next one we have simplify this term root 2 by root 6 minus root 2. Root 2 divided by root 6 minus root 2 minus root 3 divided by root 6 plus root 2. So what we are going to do is, again same approach, we are going to take LCM of this is product of them. So we multiply that to the denominator of the opposite terms. Root 3 root 6 minus root 2 divided by root 6 minus root 2 into root 6 plus root 2. Okay, when you multiply we get root 12 plus 2, yes, and then minus root 18 minus root 6. Okay, so yeah, minus of minus become plus, divided by 6 minus 2. Because of that they will square it now. So we end up with root 12, which can be written as 2 root 3 plus 2 minus 3 root 2. 18 can be written as 3 root 2 plus root 6 divided by 4. So further we cannot simplify, that is the answer. Okay. So 5th main is done. Now going on to 6th main, they are interesting. So what is 6th main saying is, if x is equal to root 5 minus 2 divided by root 5 plus 2 and y is equal to root 5 plus 2 divided by root 5 minus 2, then find the following. One is x square, second one is y square, third one is xy, fourth one is sum of all the three, that is x square plus y square plus xy. So instead of squaring x directly and y, let us simplify them first. Okay, so what x can be done is, given x is equal to root 5 minus 2 by root 5 plus 2, we multiply denominator and numerator by the rationalization factor of this. So we end up with 5 root 5 square minus 2 square divide plus 2 square minus 2 root 5 into 2 divided by root 5 square minus 2 square. So this will become 5 plus 4 minus 4 root 5 divided by 1. Okay, this is 9 minus 4 root 5, that is x. Remember, that means what is x square? X square is 9 square plus 4 root 5 whole square minus 2 into 9 into 4 root 5. So we end up with 81 plus 4, 25 is 100. Right, sorry, 16 5s are 80 minus 18 4s are 72 root 5. This will be 161 minus 72 root 5. That is x square. Remember? Okay. Similarly, if I do y is 5 root 5 plus 2 by root 5 minus 2. Any guesses what will happen to this? So this will end up with same, and this place it will become plus. That's it. Check it. Root 5 plus 2 by root 5 plus 2. This will become root 5 whole square plus 2 square plus 2 root 5 into 2 divided by root 5 square minus 2 square. So y is equal to so 5 plus 4 yes plus 4 root 5 yes divided by 1, which is 9 plus 4 root 5. So y square is 9 square plus 4 root 5 whole square plus 2 into 9 into 4 into root 5. So this will end up with 161 plus 72 root 5. Okay. So now what is the question? X into y. X into y is what? 9 plus 4 root 5 into 9 minus 4 root 5, which will end up with 9 square minus 4 root 5 whole square. So we end up with 81 minus 80. So 81 minus 80 will be equal to what? 1. Right? So last one, x square plus y square plus xy. So use this. X square is 161 minus 72 root 5. This is 161 plus 72 root 5. Last one is 1. So these two will cancel. We end up with 322 plus 1, which is simply 323. So that is what the answer is. Okay. So now question number 6 is done. 7, 8 and 9 is your assignment. So you will be doing it yourself. Question number 7, 8, 9 will be done by you. Okay. So now I will be going to 10th and 11th. Show that question number 10 is saying that if x is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6, find x square plus 1 by x square. Okay, so again we have to simplify x first. What is x given? Or we can go for another logic. First, x is nothing but 5 minus 2 root 6. Let us see what is 1 by x. 1 by x is 5 minus 2 root 6. So we multiply denominator and numerator by the rationalization factor to make it simple. Okay, we end up with 5 plus 2 root 6 divided by 5 square minus 2 square into 6. I think this ends up with 5 plus 2 root 6 divided by 25 minus 24, that is 1 by x is 5 plus 2 root 6. That is 1 by x now. Okay. Now we need x square plus 1 by x whole square. That I can do by squaring this and this. But is there any other alternative? Let's see. What is the expansion of a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? Same way, if I talk about x plus 1 by x whole square, what I end up with is x square plus 1 by x square plus x into 1 by x. Okay, so I want this term. Okay, to get this term, so we need to substitute all this. X plus 1 by x is what? 5 plus 2 root 6, 5 minus 2 root 6 into plus 5 plus 2 root 6 whole square is equal to 5. Yeah, this is x square. You don't have to square it. X square plus 1 by x square. That's what we have to find out. And 5 plus 2 root 6. I mean, x and 1 by x will cancel, no? So we end up with 1 here. Okay. So this will be, again, this will be cancelled. Minus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 6. We end up with 10 whole square. Okay. That is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 1. So we end up with 10 square 100 is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 1. So I think I missed 2 here. It has to be 2. Yes. 2 will come to this side. So we end up with 100 minus 2 equal to x square plus 1 by x square. So the answer is 98. So this is the simplified form. Okay. So finally we get 98 as an answer. So that's the end of this chapter. I mean, with this question. So 11th one we are going to see now. Similar question, similar simplification process. Show that there is a proof we have to do. So this is an interesting question. I'll tell you. Which says show that 1 by 3 minus 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 minus root 7 plus 1 by root 7 minus root 6 minus 1 by root 6 minus root 5 plus 1 by root 5 minus 2 equal to 5. So we are going to rationalize them one by one and then add. LHS only taking. So LHS, I have 1 by 3 minus 2 root 2. I am going to multiply the numerator and denominator by the rationalization factor. Same thing you do for the next one. 1 by 2 root 2 minus root 7 into 2 root 2 plus root 7 divided by 2 root 2 plus root 7. Okay. Plus 1 by root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6 divided by root 7 plus root 6 minus 1 by root 6 minus root 5 into root 6 plus root 5 divided by root 6 plus root 5. So finally we have 1 by root 5 minus 2 into root 5 plus 2 divided by root 5 plus 2. Okay, so we end up with 3 plus 2 root 2. This is 3 square is 9 minus 2 root 2 square is 8. This will be 2 root 2 plus 7 divided by 2 root 2 is 8 minus 7 plus now. So this is root 7 plus root 6 divided by 7 minus 6 now. Okay, minus root 6 plus root 5 divided by 6 minus 5. So last one plus root 5 plus 2 divided by 5 minus 4. So all the denominators are 1 now. So it is simply 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 minus root 7 plus root 7 plus root 6 minus root 6 minus root 5 plus root 5 plus 2. So what will cancel is 2 root 2, 2 root 2 cancels, this will cancel, root 7 will cancel and root 5 will cancel. We end up with 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5, which is nothing but RHS. That is the answer. Okay. So the last question, that is question number 12. So question number 13, 14, 15 are your assignment again. So remember, question number 13, 14 and 15 is your work. So you'll be doing it. So what is this question number 12 saying? Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize denominator of 1 by root 3 minus root 2 plus 1. This has been done in the exercise example already, this kind of question. So still we'll try it one more time. So let us take it as minus root, this as separate and this as separate. So multiply this by its rationalization factor minus root 3 minus root 2 minus 1. When you multiply and divide, what happens is numerator is root 3 minus root 2 minus 1, denominator is root 3 minus root 2 whole square minus 1 square. So this is root 3 minus root 2 minus 1 divided by a minus b whole square will be going to be root 3 whole square plus root 2 whole square minus 2 root 2 into root 3 minus 1. Okay, so we end up with root 3 minus root 2 minus 1 divided by 3 plus 2 minus, this will be 2 root 6 minus 1. So we still end up with the numerator as root 3 minus root 2 minus 1 as it is, but the denominator is going to be what we have is 5 minus 1, 4 minus 2 root 6. We can take 2 common. When you take common, we get root 3 minus root 2 minus 1 divided by, we end up with 2 plus root 6. Okay, so again we multiply denominator numerator by 2 minus root 6 by 2 minus root 6, this rationalization. So I'll step and let the next step here. So we end up with 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 minus 2, correct, and then root 3, that is plus root 18, then plus, that's going to be minus root 18 or plus root 18. This is plus root 6 now. Yeah, this is a plus, this is plus. So we end up with, yeah, so this will be plus root 18, what we're getting, and then minus root 12 minus root 6 divide by, anyway 1 by 2 we had, right? So this will become 2 square is 4 minus 6. So I end up with, I'll take that minus outside and 2 also outside, minus 1 by 4, 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 minus 2 plus 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 minus root 6. That's what we get. Okay. hope everything is correct here. This is 2 root 3, yeah. So this will cancel. So we end up with minus 2 root 2 plus 3 root 2 is going to be 1 root 2. So minus 1 by 4 plus 1 root 2. Yes. Then minus 2 minus root 6. And we multiply that minus sign again back. We get 1 by 4. 2 plus root 6 minus root 2. This will be the final answer. So we should be very careful while simplifying because we may miss out a lot of signs, everything. So be careful while simplifying. This will be the answer. 1 by 4 into 2 plus root 6 minus root 2. Okay. So and then question number 13, 14, 15 is your assignment. So that is the end of this exercise 1C. So let me see whether you finish this assignment, and if you have any doubts, we'll discuss. So the next video will be 1D that I'll do after your completion of the test. Okay. So I want you to write the test and get the answer faster so that we can go to the 1D. Okay. That's a special exercise we'll discuss later. That's all. We will end up this video. Okay. Thank you.